What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Obviously, as you can tell by like my face and my voice, I just woke up and I thought I would do a little bit of a chill Sunday morning routine slash get ready with me. Sundays are typically the days where I go take Instagram pictures, so I thought I would include a little bit of a get ready with me. Also, if you can hear a mouse sound, I'm sorry. Nala's playing with the tablet right now. She's been loving it, so we let her play a bit in the morning and a bit at night. And then the other two cats, well, not the other two cats, but Milo and Bea, we also have a fourth cat, are playing with an ice cube right now. So those are like the noises that you might hear in the background. And I did want to say a big thank you to Ana Luisa for sending me some goodies. So I will insert a clip right now of me showing the items and talking a bit more about Ana Luisa and why I love their products. What is up, you guys? I just wanted to film this little clip for you guys that I'm going to put at the beginning of this video to say a huge thank you to Ana Luisa for collaborating with me on this video. They sent me some really cute pieces and I'm so excited to share with you guys. I would definitely recommend shopping their website. They have so many cute affordable pieces and I'm completely obsessed. They craft high quality pieces at a very affordable price. They also always have sales going on, which, like, who doesn't love a sale? Like when you want cute jewelry and you just don't want to be paying these huge prices for them, but you want them to be good quality. And these are definitely good quality. I love them and they have such good prices. They're also carbon neutral from their packaging to their products. They really care about the impact that they have on this planet, which I feel is such a huge plus when working with a brand or even just supporting the brand. I feel like, especially in this time and age, like, it is so important to think about our planet, and the fact that they do this, and it is just absolutely incredible to me. You'll never find another piece like this anywhere else. There might be some similar ones, but never the same. Like, they are super unique in their designs, and that really, you can really tell that they are. And honestly, like, their designs are just so cute. So I would definitely recommend shopping on their website if you've been looking for cute gold jewelry or any just cute jewelry. They have so many different options. I will have a link down below for you guys. All right, so it came in this little box right here, super neutral, and the packaging is not too big for what is in the box, just enough to protect everything in it. Then when you open it, I've got two little envelopes right here, or not envelopes, but like two little packages. And then each of the pieces that I received came in these two little packages right here. And obviously I've already opened them and worn them and I'm obsessed. So let's start with this one. By the way, like, how cute is this? Like, you can literally use this when you're traveling or you're going places and you want to bring your jewelry, and not just for the jewelry that you buy from Ana Luisa. You can put literally all of your jewelry in here, everything that you have. Just put it in this little pouch and you'll be sure to like put it in a safe space for like when you travel, which I think is so cool. Like, the fact that they're not just in a plastic little bag that you throw out is amazing. I just love this. Like, this is more than just getting new accessories. It's getting like useful things to store your accessories in, which is amazing. Okay, so the first thing that I got is a chain. So this right here is what the chain looks like. So it's kind of like a choker style chain and it's super cute. Like, I'm obsessed. And also you can make it longer. They have little hoops, like 3 of them, so you can decide how long you want it. I think personally, I really like it as a choker because I layer it, and since it can be put as a choker, I feel like it just doesn't move as much when it's like in a choker. So this is the first thing, and I was so excited to receive this because I've been looking for a chain like this, like a little bit thicker than what I usually have. So my usual chain that I would wear is so thin, but this one, like, I was looking for a thicker one that really, like, you can tell that I'm wearing jewelry. So I was super excited about this piece. I'm gonna put it back in here. And then the second piece came in this little envelope right here, a little packaging. Okay, so the next piece I got is another chain to layer. It has this super cute pendant on it that is like, I don't know like how to describe it. I feel like this looks like an old locket that you would have found in like your great grandmother's things, that is just like a family heirloom. That's how I feel about this necklace, and I'm in love with it. Like, I love it so much, and I've been layering it with the other one, and it looks so good, you guys. I'm obsessed. And like I said, I will have a link for you guys down below. So they currently have a Valentine's Day sale going on, so if you want to get some cute pieces right now, it's the time. Like, they're having such a good sale. The sale is buy one get one 40% off, which is such a good deal. Like, that's really, really good. So I definitely recommend you guys check it out. I have a link down below, like I said a few times now. I definitely recommend you just like look at the products that they have. I swear everybody can find something that they're gonna love on Ana Luisa's website. So as mentioned in the clip, I have a link down below for you guys, so don't forget to check it out. But anyways, let's get into my morning routine. And this is gonna be like a very chill Sunday morning routine. Like, I'm not like in a rush. I don't have work. Like, I am on my weekend. Like, this is my break and we're going easy. So first off, it is 8:21. I did wake up around like 7:15 and I honestly played on my phone. I thought I would fall back asleep, but I didn't. I'm on like my work schedule, and when this happens, like, I'll literally wake up at the same time as my alarm would ring on like a Monday to Friday morning. Which is not a bad thing, but I do feel so much more sleep deprived, and I don't know if that's why, because I go to bed early. Like, I went to bed very early yesterday and I woke up, well, not that early, like it was 7:15, right? So it's not that bad, but still, like, I feel like I'm so tired during the day. So I let myself sleep in on Sundays, especially because, like, what good is it gonna do if I try to wake up super early when I'm exhausted and I need to sleep? So it's 8:21 now, and I got out of bed and I made myself my lemon water. So this right here is my lemon water, and it does not look good at all, but it actually tastes pretty good. So what's in here is lemon juice, honey, and cinnamon, and I drink this every morning. Like, sometimes I'll skip a morning here and there, but this is in my routine for most of my mornings, and it's just like, I don't know, it's a warm drink when I wake up, and it's good for like digestion and just like to start the day off fresh. Like, lemon water is always a good thing, so this is what I drink in the morning. And then you guys are sitting on my water bottle, but that's one of the other things that I do when I wake up in the morning. Like, when I know that I'm awake and I'm gonna start my day, I fill up my water bottle. I put ice and water and I fill it up to the top. My goal is to drink it all by the end of the day, and if I drink more, then that's great. The minimum that I want to do though is that water bottle, and I've talked about this so many times on my channel. But yeah, and then I have like this glass right here that's also water. So I don't drink 2 liters of water each day, but like, I'm not far from it, so I'm very happy with myself. And then now I'm in the living room, but I've got with me my journal, so I'm going to journal right now, and then I'm gonna enjoy my water. Like, drinking my lemon water is something that I just really take easy in the morning. I'll put a YouTube video on and watch that while I drink it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do my journal at the same time. So let's get into it right now. Okay, I finished my lemon water, and I just put a little workout set on. So this is a new workout set that I got. If you guys saw my last video, you guys have seen this workout set, and I'm actually wearing it for the first time to work out, but the top I've worn like a few times, actually. Yeah, a few times, and I'm obsessed with the top. I feel like this is not just like a workout top, it's like a top. So we love that for us. Anyways, I'm gonna work out. This is my outfit: brown leggings, the little workout top, and the little vest because I'm so cold. And also, if I can get a little extra sweaty while I'm on the treadmill, that is great. I'm just gonna grab my sneakers, and then I'm gonna brush my hair and tie it up, and then we're gonna wash it because it's dirty, and I'm very excited to wash my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys my little workout set before I got into the workout, but like, look at how cute this is. Like, I'm obsessed, and honestly, I've tried a top like this a few years ago, and I don't know if I was just picky or it just wasn't for me. Like, I don't know, but I'm obsessed with it, and I wore it yesterday as like a top, and I loved it, especially with like a pair of joggers. I think it just hits such at a good spot, and it's just like a perfect like multi multi-use shirt or like top, I guess. I feel like I would see myself wearing this during the summer with a pair of shorts or like even a skirt. I don't know, like with the right skirt, I feel like this could be so cute. Anyway, this is my workout outfit. These leggings are so cute. They hit at a really good spot on the stomach. And then the sports bra slash sort of top is absolutely adorable. Also, I will have a link to their website. This is from First Health Apparel, so I'll have a link to their website down below. I so far am obsessed, and I do plan on probably ordering from their collections in the future. I know they have like their, I think it's spring collection coming out, or like they have a new collection coming out, and the colors are absolutely adorable. This is my new obsession. Okay, so this right here is the setup. I've got Bea on here, but I will be kicking the cats out. Bea's right there, Milo's right here, and then Coco's right here. Also, you guys will probably have already seen this, but this is the new setup for the office. Obviously, the wall is very, very blank right now, but that's fine. Like, we don't need to do anything here for now. And then I also have an Alex drawer that needs to go there, which by the time you guys see this video, it will probably already be built, and you guys will have already probably seen it. But this is like the new work setup, and I love like the white desk with the chair. I think it looks really nice. And now I'm about to kick the cats out so I can get a workout in. So I do plan on doing the 12-3-30. The only thing is this machine doesn't incline to 12, so I'm just gonna go a little bit faster for 30 minutes. I think that's like the best case scenario here, so I'll probably go at like a 4 or 5 and see how I feel, because I know that when I did the 12-3-30 in the gym, I went to 3.5 because 3 just wasn't enough for me. So maybe like a 4 or 5, we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna work out now and I'll talk to you guys afterwards. Okay, I'm done, and I am sweaty. Like, it's disgusting. So I'm gonna head in the shower right now. I'm gonna wash my hair, wash my face. I love washing my face. Like, honestly, my skincare is one of my favorite part of like my morning and night routine. So I'm gonna go in the shower, clean up, and talk to you guys afterwards. All right, you guys, I'm out of the shower. I washed my hair, washed my face, did my skincare, and now it's time for breakfast. So this morning for breakfast, I made this sort of like omelet with turkey bacon. By the way, turkey bacon is like one of my faves. I don't buy it often because it's so expensive, but it's so good. Like, I really like it, and I bought some last week because it was on sale. So I've got my turkey bacon and then this omelet in a tortilla wrap. So in the omelet, I put some bell peppers and some onions and 2 eggs, and then the wrap, and then I put a bit of hot sauce in there also. So that's breakfast. I'm gonna eat breakfast with Alex, and then I'm gonna make coffee, I think, because coffee sounds so good right now. And if you guys watched my last vlog, I got some new pods to make iced coffee because I had been out for like a good while. So I'm very excited to make an iced coffee this morning. All right, you guys, next part of my morning routine is obviously my iced coffee that I just made. I'm obsessed. Like, this is the best iced coffee ever. I make this recipe all the time and I'm obsessed. It's literally the Starbucks caramel enhancer or caramel macchiato enhancer with some oat milk in the frother and Bianco, not Bianco, the Chiaro double shot espresso. That's literally what it is, and it is the best combo ever. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna drink this, and then we'll see what we get up to, but this is definitely one of the most important parts of my morning routine. And also my hair has like mostly dried now, but yeah, I'm gonna drink this. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, I did my hair, and I'm now gonna put some Gizu hair oil on. My hair has been so dry lately for like the past 2 months, and I think it's because of the cold, and then obviously I put heat on it sometimes and it's blonde, so like that doesn't help at all. But I really think that the cold has just been awful for it, so I'm gonna put some Gizu oil, Gizu hair oil in my hair right now because I think that's just gonna really help it. And then I'm gonna get completely ready, or I'm gonna do my makeup. I have to do my makeup and then get ready to go take a few pics for Instagram this week. I'm so excited to get ready. This hair oil smells so good. Like, I'm obsessed. All right, I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be right back. Makeup is done. Very simple. I never put too much makeup on my face. I just I do not feel the urge to put a whole bunch of makeup on my face. I also don't have a whole bunch of makeup, so very minimal, which is exactly what I love. Now I'm gonna go get dressed and I'm gonna plan maybe a few different outfits. I don't think I'm gonna plan too many. I don't even know how cold it is outside, so I don't know like how many outfit changes I want to do. So anyways, and I did get a really good picture yesterday that fits really well with my Instagram feed, so yeah. So I got all ready. And now time to get dressed. Okay, so I've gotten dressed and I'm ready to put my necklaces on. So I thought I would put them on camera for you guys. Honestly, you guys, I'm obsessed. Like I said, definitely check them out. They have such good quality pieces and their pieces are so cute. So this is the first chain, so the thicker one. And this is on the tightest, like, little hole. So it's like sort of choker but not super tight around your neck, which I love. And then I'm gonna put the other one and layer it on top. It's gonna look so good. And then this one I put on the longest little hoop because I want it to be like pendant like. Voila. And this is how they look together. I feel like they look so cute and they're super dainty, and I don't know, I'm just obsessed. I think they look absolutely adorable. I love them. And this is actually one of the outfits that I'm going to take a picture in, so I thought I would put them on because we're going to be able to see them in the picture and it's going to look so good. So yeah, this is my little outfit, and I think I'm gonna end this video right here. If you guys are interested in seeing everything else that I end up doing today, definitely check out my last vlog. It is a weekly vlog and I am vlogging all day today at the same time as I'm making this video. So if you want to see a bit of behind the scenes of us going to take the pictures, then definitely check out that last video. I'll have a link down below for you guys. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, thank you so much to Ana Luisa for collaborating with me on this video. I had so much fun filming this video. And once again, don't forget to shop their Valentine's Day sale. Buy one, get one 40% off. That is such a good deal. I'll have a link down below for you guys. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my TikTok and my Instagram. Technically follow me on there, not subscribe, but don't forget to check me out there also because I'm posting a lot of content. I'm having so much fun doing it, and I would love if you guys followed me along on those platforms also. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.